Sure, the reigning Stanley Cup champion St. Louis Blues are a solid team and could continue to be for the foreseeable future. But predicting a dynasty? Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Well, one St. Louis newspaper is suggesting that could be the case. This from the St. Louis Dispatch. Here's a word to consider: dynasty. The label is thrown around carelessly in sports, often applied where it doesn't belong, and maybe it's reckless to suggest it in this context. But part of me wonders if the Blues could become eligible. The Blues should have a legitimate shot. Now, in fairness, the article does point out how difficult repeating as champions is. The Penguins are the only team to do so since the NHL introduced the salary cap. The Blues didn't even qualify for the playoffs last season, and they only have one Stanley Cup win in their franchise history, so they have a long way to go before they can be considered a dynasty.